The latest collection of creative and innovative garden design ideas 2024. Welcome to my channel. Get ready to be inspired by the latest collection of creative and innovative garden design ideas for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just looking to spruce up your outdoor space, our curated selection of garden designs will leave you in awe. In this video, we'll showcase cutting-edge concepts and trends in garden design that are set to transform your backyard into a haven of natural beauty and tranquility. From modern minimalist gardens to lush and vibrant botanical paradises, we've got it all covered. Join us as we explore 1. Innovative landscape designs. 2. Stunning flower arrangements. 3. Creative use of hardscaping. 4. Sustainable gardening practices. 5. Artistic garden features. 6. DIY gardening projects. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling estate, these ideas can be tailored to fit any space. Get ready to unleash your inner gardener and take your outdoor space to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest trends in garden design. Let's make 2024 the year your garden dreams come true.